in church and you've been sitting in the pew, you realize you hot, and you had to put the church finger up, and you need the attention of the usher, and they come and get you a fan or a bulletin, and they walk like this. They get you, they walk back. Oh, sorry. Like they mad, they had to walk. Why you didn't get when we came through the door? Well, that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna have you two turn around and face the wall, and then I need 10 people. No, this wall, so you can't see the audience. Oh. And close your eyes, because I didn't realize it was a mirror over there. Close your eyes. 5. Okay, we'll have 5 people all over. Raise your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Y'all remember the number I gave you? 1, raise your hand. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so you gotta raise it up real high so they can see you. Okay, we're gonna do it one at a time. Give us a little bit of music.
The song says, I've got a reason to praise
You're gonna be
the Lord.
right. You got to step.
You got
So,
to hand like
when I give you the signal, you're gonna turn around. And then you're gonna get those hands that are gonna go up and need some bulletin. And you gotta do it quickly, but you can't run. Okay? Are you ready? Y'all ready? Alright, turn up some. Alright. I'm gonna turn it down. 1,